How to download offline maps in Google Maps. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply click on Maps app in our mobile phone. So if you are using Android or iPhone, simply click on Maps app. Once you click here you guys will see on top right corner small profile pic. So simply click on that. Once you click on that, you guys will see your profile, your timeline, location sharing, offline maps. So simply we will click on offline maps. Once you click here, you guys will see select your own map. So simply click on select your own map. Once you click here you guys will select the area that you want to download your map offline. So for example, I want to download that area map offline. So once you select that, here you guys will see download option. So simply click on download option. Once you download it, after that you guys can use it offline that map. Thanks for watching.